Hi, I'm Sean Anderson from Shaunderson Tech. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about how to install Ansible in your environment. And that really depends on what environment you're using, whether it be Linux or Windows. And I'll be talking about both use cases and how to install it on Linux and Windows, but in this video we're going to focus on specifically how to install it on Linux. And this is going to be the easier of the two and the way that I recommend the most. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your Linux distribution and either put it on a physical machine or a virtual machine. And from there you're going to go in and install it through the official package manager or using the pip command on Python. And I'll show both of these here in a demo in just a second. But the main takeaway is you can do it either way and it's going to work the same. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the two different ways to install Ansible. And the first way is the one that I recommend the most as it's the easiest one to do. And so you're going to figure out what package manager you have on your particular distribution and make sure that you're attached to the official repositories for that distribution. In this case, we're running Fedora, so we're going to go ahead and use the DNF command. And so it would be sudo dnf install Ansible. And that's actually not going to do anything on my system since I already have Ansible installed. And you can see that right here, package is already installed. If it wasn't, it would ask me if I wanted to install it, and I would just select yes. In this case, we're actually going to go ahead and run the second command on a virtual machine, and so we're going to SSH into my Terraria server since it doesn't actually have that on there. And so to do that, we're going to run the we're going to use the pip command from Python, and you need to make sure that you have Python installed, otherwise this isn't going to do anything. And so to do that, we're going to do python-m pip for the pip module install, and we're going to use the -- user Ansible. And it's going through looking for the files, and it's going to let us it's going to go ahead and install that for us. And it'll just take a minute, and we'll go ahead and fast forward this video. And now that it's all done, we'll be able to run Ansible commands on this machine and use it for all of our Ansible playbooks. Once again, thank you so much for watching these videos. I'm really excited for this project, for the channel to get started, and for this to keep going. So if you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. If you have a comment, feel free to drop it below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.